Keep the light inside you burning, even when the night feels long. Through the storms and silent yearning, we've been strong all along. Depend not on what you're seeing, but the hope that's in your heart. Every step was leading to a brand new start. Every step was leading to a brand new start. Oh, congrats, my tribe, we made it through. Every tear and prayer pulled us through. Now we rise with hearts held high, soul to soul, beneath one sky. For the next, we must ready what we hold. Let our love be the guiding, more than gold, more than gold. In our voices truth is ringing, souls are singing clear and bold. From the roots where we were springing to the road we now hold. Oh, congrats, my tribe, we made it through. Every tear and prayer pulled us through. Now we rise with hearts held high, soul to soul, beneath one sky. Keep and depend, no need to fear. The path ahead is drawing near. Walk together hand in hand. We are more, we understand. Oh, congrats, my tribe, we made it through. Every tear and prayer pulled us through. Now we rise with hearts held high, soul to soul, beneath one sky. For the next journey, we are free. Be prepared and just believe. For the next journey,